Want to watch YouTube on your PC without affecting your recommendation or watch history? In this video, I will show you how to use incognito mode on YouTube using a PC or laptop. First, open your web browser on your computer. This works on Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Important thing to know, YouTube does not have a built-in incognito mode on desktop like the mobile app. But don't worry, you can still watch YouTube privately. The easiest way is to open your browser in incognito or private mode. In Google Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, N on Windows. In Firefox or Safari, use private window instead. Once the incognito window is open, go to youtube.com and start watching videos. You will notice you are not signed in, so your watch history and recommendation won't be saved. Another option is to sign out of your YouTube account. Click your profile picture, go to switch account, then select sign out. This also prevents videos from affecting your account history. And that's it. Now you know how to use YouTube Incognito mode on PC or laptop. Even though it's done through the browser. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe for more YouTube and tech tips, and comment below what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.